Good morning, students. Welcome back to our EVS class. This is the first part of the third chapter, The World of Animals. In this chapter, we will learn about where animals live, shelters built by animals, animal shelters built by human beings, how animals help us, sensitivity towards animals. Today we will discuss about where animals live and shelters built by animals. Children, animals are found everywhere on the earth. They are found on the highest of mountains and in the deepest of the sea. They are found in the hottest desert or in the cool palms. Animals live in the wild and in our homes. They live in air too. The surrounding or the environment in which an animal lives and survives is called its habitat. So what is habitat? The natural environment in which an animal lives is called its habitat. What is habitat? The natural environment in which an animal lives is called its habitat. Children, depending on the habitat of animals, they can be differentiated from one another into 5 different groups. Terrestrial animals, arboreal animals, aerial animals, aquatic animals, and amphibious animals. Let's see again. Terrestrial animals, arboreal animals, aerial animals, aquatic animals, and amphibious animals. Children, first let us discuss about what are terrestrial animals. Terrestrial animals are animals which live on land. A large number of animals live on land in natural shelters in forests. For example, a lion lives in a den and a fox lives in a cave. Snakes live in holes, while termites live in underground colonies. So what are terrestrial animals? Terrestrial animals are animals which live on land. Next we will discuss about arboreal animals. Animals that spend most of their lifetime on trees are called arboreal animals. These animals have sharp and strong claws to cling or hold tightly to the branch of the trees. Animals that spend a lot of time on trees like monkeys and squirrels are called arboreal animals. What are arboreal animals? Animals that spend most of their life on trees are called arboreal animals. Next, let's see aerial animals. Animals which can fly and spend a lot of time in the air are called aerial animals. What are aerial animals? Animals which can fly and spend a lot of time in the air. They are called aerial animals. Most birds and bats are aerial animals. Next, let us discuss about aquatic animals. What are aquatic animals? Animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. Animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. Common examples of aquatic animals are fish, whales, dolphins, sharks, and ducks. These are the examples of aquatic animals. Let's see again. Aquatic animals are always live in water. Children, finally we have amphibious animals. Animals that can live both on land and in water are called amphibious animals. Frogs and salamanders are a common examples of such animals. What are amphibious animals? Animals that can live both on land and in water. They are called amphibious animals. Students, let's move on to our next topic, shelters built by some animals, which include burrow, nest, hive, anvil, and web. Burrow, nest, hive, anvil, and web. Children, first let us see what is burrow. Some animals like foxes, rabbits, and groundhogs live underground in burrows which they dig in the ground. A hole in the ground dug by an animal is called burrow. So what is burrow? A hole in the ground dug by an animal is called burrow. Second one is nest. Different birds build different types of nests. They carefully choose a place which is safe to hatch their eggs. Birds like tailor bird, kingfisher, and woodpeckers are known for their beautiful and complex nests. Children, why do birds build nests? Birds build nests to lay their eggs and protect their young ones from predators. Next, we have hive. Bees and wasps makes wax inside their bodies. They use the wax to build homes called hives. A hive is a home for a whole colony of bees or wasps. So what is hive? A shelter constructed by honeybees or wasps. Next, let's see what is anvil. Homes of ants are called anvil. Homes of ants look like a mound of earth. What is anvil? Homes of ants are called anvil. Children, have you seen this type of a network structure in your surroundings? This is a web. It is a network of fine threads constructed by a spider from fluid secreted by its spinnerets used to catch its prey. Web is a network of fine threads constructed by a spider from fluid secreted by its spinnerets used to catch its prey. So what is the use of web? They use this web to traps or catching the insects.
Anthill. Ants live in anthills. Beehive. Bees live in a hive. Cave. A lion lives in a cave. Den. A bear lives in a den. Shed. A cow lives in a shed. Chicken coop. Chickens live in a coop. Hutch. Rabbits live in a hutch. Kennel. A dog lives in a kennel. Nest. A bird lives in a nest. Mouse hole. A mouse lives in a hole. Pigsty. A pig lives in a pigsty. Pond. Frogs live in a pond. Ocean. Marine animals live in the ocean. Sheep pen. Sheep live in a pen. Spider web. A spider lives in a web. Stable. A horse lives in a stable. Tree hollow. A squirrel lives in a tree hollow. Burrow. A hare lives in a burrow. Iceberg. A penguin lives on an iceberg. Desert. A camel lives in the desert. Tree. A koala lives in a tree.
Students, let's have a quick recap of what we have learned today. Today we have learned about where animals live and shelters built by animals. Students, question answers are given in PDF. Please write down those question answers in your notebook and learn them. Thank you. Have a nice day.